What's up guys, how una dey? So today I don't carry another better update carry come. Today we go to talk about 10 plus different survey platforms where they active, where you still they use them in 2026. And these survey platforms now platforms where be if you just enter do one or two surveys and they go they reward you. But hold on, I know some of them go talk say Solomon survey they hard for Naija and not be everybody where they Naija fit complete survey and then they reject people where I don't find something we go help you decrease your rejection rate when it comes to online survey. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will get all the value will come with the video. If it is me for the first time, una welcome. For this particular place here, I dey come here about different updates if you help you to collect small thing online just with your smartphone. So if you want to collect update from my side, make sure you like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that when I drop new update, then go notify you say update don land and I go be the first person to check them out. I beg make you know say this one no be financial advice. Me I no be financial advisor. Online survey no fit guarantee you anything, you understand? Survey na just for extra income. Survey no go fit replace your full-time job or your real job, you understand? So make you no put all your hope because guarantee no dey. But waiting I fit tell you be say after you finish to watch this video, you go learn one or two things wey fit help you improve your online survey journey right here for our country Nigeria. And don't forget to comment where they watch this video from for comment section. If you meet your neighbor for comment section, so just comment where they watch this video from. So I no go take too much of your time. I will just go straight to the point. Me personally, I don't try different survey platforms. I don't try survey platforms since 2021 and I don't try plenty survey platforms. Some of them they work, some of them know they work, some of them know they're available for Nigeria. But what thing can shock me be say you get some set of people where they this country where still they take survey every single day and every single week they still they receive rewards from survey. In fact, then they post them every day say this survey give me this one, this survey give me this one, and some other people go to look am like this, go they cry say what thing me I they do, how I they take do my own, because it be like say the more they put the effort, the more survey know they work. In fact, plenty people don't give up on survey for this particular country, but now 10 plus different survey websites and apps be this way be say if you try for 2026. Now some of them feel work out for you, some of them no feel work out for you, some of them go pay high, some of them go pay low per survey, you know, some of them their rewards no go plenty, some of them their payment method go they complicated, you understand? So make you just choose the one where you like, then you try them. Anyone will work out for you, come back, make you tell us for comment section. And make sure say if you they use anyone already and that one they work out for you, share give your people for comment section now. If you hear person life, you understand. The first survey platform I want to talk about today, now this one where they call Nice Survey. Nice Survey, now the name be that. Now Nice Survey, I don't do review about this survey, and waiting they be say this survey they active for people waiting for Nigeria, and the survey they work globally. See, they say earn money by sharing your opinion with paid surveys. If I scroll down, that's so Nice Survey day. But the problem where they be say if you from Nigeria and they use them, well, if you get some small issues for your account, number one can be say they no fee they give you plenty survey. Number two can be say even if they can't give you survey, the money no go plenty. And another thing we need to know be say VPN or proxy, they help you to stay safe on the internet while completing survey. The next survey where they my list now, this one where they call Opiday. If you call them Opiday. Now, this particular survey platform, another survey platform where we help you take online surveys, you know, they go they reward you for taking survey just like the one you see for my screen. So, but the problem can be say this one now no they available for Nigeria. And the reason why I still they mention them because no be only Nigerian people they watch me for this channel. People they from South Africa, from Ghana, from Cameroon, from Kenya, from different countries. For the fact that this one no they work for Nigeria, no mean say you no go work for another person with the another country. So the second survey platform here now Opiday survey. This one na new survey platform. So if you check them out, if you work out for you, well, congratulations, you understand? Now another survey platform I want to talk about, and this one where they call TGM panel. Now global survey platform where be say this one they available for Nigeria too, and it they available for so many countries. But the one where they my screen now TGM panel Australia be this one. One thing I like about them be say their points carry weight where. So if you get up to 10 to 15 points, no, so you don't see around 15 USD from the platform. So the third one na TGM panel. Another one here I want to talk about now, this one where they call octopus survey, octopus panel. This one no they available for Nigeria. This one na Australian survey panel be this one. People they do and where the thing they work out, you understand? The thing they active where Australian survey platform they call them Octopus. Don't worry, I go show now something later. Now another one here where I want to talk about. Now this one where they call QMe. And they call this one QMe. They say QMe, they say earn real cash with paid online surveys. They say I'm available on Google Play Store and on App Store. Over 4 stars where they can get for Trustpilot. Their payment option, they get PayPal, Venmo, and some other available options where they are. So if you check out this one too. The next one I want to talk about here, now this one where they call the panel station. They call them the panel station. Now another powerful survey platform be this way. If you use the complete online survey, make it they collect every single day, you understand? They don't pay out over 15 million in rewards where they don't pay out to the see. If you check out this one too, if you work out for you, then make you try them. Now the next one I want to talk about, this one they very important, so make you pay attention. But before I go into that one, I want to talk about the sponsor of this particular video. People will sponsor this video, and these people will they call proxiesellers.com. I know say the question where they ask now be say waiting be proxy. Proxy they like middleman, IP address where they stand between a website and you as a user. So you can like middleman. So instead of the website to see your own real IP, the website go to see the proxies. Proxy seller are one of the biggest proxy sellers globally because then they offer different kind of proxy. The first proxy they get within they call residential proxy. This proxy now the one where be say it go they like say you be person where they for that particular country like an individual. So they get another one where they call mobile proxy. They get another one where they call ISP, which is internet service provider. Then get some other types of proxies like that where you feel use. But the best one where anybody feel use for surveying now this one where they call residential proxy. So what you go do be see you go sign up your account, go to proxieseller.com, sign up an account, or if you check my link where they below, once you sign up your account, just complete your KYC now to just verify your ID. The next thing now for you to deposit your wallet or top up your wallet. Yes, proxy no be free, and from there you choose the proxy where you want buy. Now I go show you how you go take do them. This one no be tutorial, but I go show you how if you take get the residential proxy. Come here, make you click on these 3 lines. After that, just scroll down here. You go see where they say residential proxy and mobile proxy. So what you go do now be say you go just click on residential proxy, and once you click on residential proxy, then go open this particular place. They say I'm your residential proxies. This. Now if you start a 3-day free trial, then go charge you $1.99. Another thing I want to tell you be say if you use my discount code there, then go give you plenty discount for this particular platform. So make sure say once you did buy any of these proxies, make sure say you use my discount code. You understand? The discount code go there my screen so that you could get over 30% discount. This will not be tutorial, but if I want make I do the full tutorial, I go do the step-by-step tutorial drop for my Cirrden account so that when I go understand better. So make sure see they follow me for my Cirrden account. So if you just come here, make a click on view plans. Once you click on view plans, then go carry you come here, go see their plans where they get here. So then get waiting then they call pay as you go. Now this particular pay as you go here means say you just like see they buy data. So as you they use and they go, the team they reduce, you understand? Now until when the team finish before you go pay again, now where they means pay as you go. Now the next one here, now this one where they call monthly. So now this one they like say they buy monthly plan for MTN. So you go this one here now $9 per month. They go give you 3 GB for this particular platform. You understand? But if you want buy pay as you go, 1 GB here na $3.5. But if you want buy 3 GB monthly, they will give you for $33 for 1 gig. Remember, if you use that my code, they will give you extra discount, over 30% discount if you buy this particular proxy with my discount code. So after I don't pay for the proxy, you go see the proxy go there your account just like this one. So me I get 3 GB now from my account because I won't make una follow benefit from this survey stuff. So I go do the tutorial drop for my Cirrden account. So make sure you follow me on my Cirrden account. The next survey platform where they my list, now this one where they call Prolific. Prolific is one of the most popular survey platforms where they are available, but the thing where they be say most of the times then they only they available for people in the UK. Another one where they my list, now this one where they call opinionpadi. Opinionpadi now one of the most popular survey platforms where they are available for Nigeria. If you try them out, over 125,000 plus active users, over 2.5 million naira payout, you understand? So if you check out opinionpadi too. The next one where they my list here, now this one here where they call surveybods. Say hey, I want to earn some extra cash, so they say I'm here, so come here to make you check out surveybods. So they say get paid N points for every survey you take, redeem for cash or Amazon vouchers. Another survey platform With me personally, I don't use them for some time now. Then they call them Pagazani. So Pagazani also gets surveys where if you come here contact and they go to reward you. So as you see, I get one survey. This survey here now 10 minute survey, you go pay me 50 cents. So I get survey. But the problem where they be say Pagazani they disqualify people where they get other offers too. If you take for the platform, maybe then they reward you, you understand. And another thing I like about them be say they get plenty withdrawal option like crypto, Amazon, and PayPal, and so on and so forth. So I don't list out plenty survey platforms where you feel use for 2026. Make you they collect every single day. So choose the one where you like, make you try them. Anyone will work out for you, make you tell me for comment section. And don't forget say make you use proxiesellers.com to increase your safety rate online, because safety is always number one. Make una tell me what you think for comment section. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.